Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are in case you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, right here we're going to see the assets we'll be checking out. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right now, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M custom made indicator, 3M train milker indicator. Okay, like I said earlier today, this actually started a downtrend right from here. We can see it gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, just a single signal. Check it out, it got to this region, okay, to this support zone, and of course it tried to switch into an uptrend to buy for a while, but it didn't go too far. Okay, and right here it gave us some sell signal. Now let me quickly give you this simple instruction for today's trade. Okay, if it should break out below this particular support region, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go fully on uptrend. Okay, it is selling at the moment. This might be a pullback before it will go fully into an uptrend, and of course the market can also misbehave and break out from this particular support region to give us more selling opportunity, because if you should look at it right here, we still have a bigger support zone at this point. Okay, so we should take note of that. For now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from this support region to give us a good buying opportunity. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, this is still selling for now. Next asset is going to be GainX 999, still on 15-minute night time frame. GainX 999 had been on uptrend even though the movement was somehow, but after getting to this resistance, when it started going back on downtrend, there are major pullbacks in between. Just broke out from my support trend line, and of course it's going to sell more right from there. I expect it to get to this point first. Okay, that's my first TP, and of course I also put another TP here, but before that I'm going to put another TP somewhere here, guys. It is always important. So this is going to be the second TP, while this will be the third TP. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of the opportunity right from there. So guys, this is going to be the third TP. Okay, so take advantage of that opportunity. This is still selling at the moment. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1002. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1002, and of course, this was unable to break out from the support region, and of course, it started an uptrend right from there, and it has been buying since then. So this is going to buy more. We expect it to get to this spot first. Sorry, this particular spot first, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely it should get to this region. Okay, and of course here is also another spot, okay, for your TPs. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of that. Okay, so this is buying at the moment, and we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out. This is PayNext 999. This has actually got into the support zone and it has not been able to break out from there. So it's switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. And of course, we expect it to buy more right from there, most especially if it breaks out from here. If you should notice, it has been following this trend. Okay, so if it should break out from here, then we should expect it to get to this region first. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course, if it should break out from this particular spot, then we are most likely to find it around here. This is very, very important. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity if it breaks out from there. Now the next asset is going to be FX volume 80, which is going to be our last asset for today. These have been on a very strong uptrend for a very long time, but after getting to this resistance, it has not been able to break out from there. So gave us a downtrend signal and of course a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is most likely to go into full downtrend right from there. That is if the market does not misbehave. Okay, but for now it is selling at the moment. Make sure you use a reasonable loss, stop loss, in order to control the trading activities. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question, you can always drop your question for me in the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.